What is good, YouTube? We are back. Got another video for you today. Today we are going to be actually changing up my front lip. I already have a front lip on there. I have souvenir front lip, carbon fiber front lip, so I'm going to be changing that out with another one and see how that changes the front end of it. I wanted to get something a little bit more aggressive and kind of tie in with the CSL style styling that I'm going with on this car specifically. So I will be hitting this bad boy on and taking you along for the ride. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this one. Let's go. Alright, so see this part here, I'm gonna have to drill a little bit because the stock plastic rivet won't fit through there. Yeah, this one. So this one is smaller, so the rivet piece will go in. So I gotta drill it. And if you're dealing with carbon fiber, you will know this shit sucks when you gotta get carbon or you gotta cut carbon. So I will put on a long sleeve shirt and some gloves because when that shit get on your skin, it itches like crazy and I hate it. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll get to it. Alright, good to go. Alrighty, we are back. We finished the install. So CSL style front lip. Still up on the jack here. So, alright, so I got this lip from Bay Optics. Great customer service there. The lip itself, quality wise, I'll bring you down here. Hopefully you can see. Quality is good. I'm got these two together to get the adhesive stick and bond there, but quality is good. Fitment, I would say about a 8 out of 10, but I think it's honestly because I had this skid plate that does kind of tighten things up around the bumpers, not much flex. So I think with that's what made the fitment a little difficult to kind of maneuver and stuff. But I got it all on there. Pain in the ass, not gonna lie. But I think it'll be good. So this side is pretty flush. Gotta bring that up there. Little gap, but I think you can only see it if you're underneath the car. And then bring you over to this side. So this side is not as flush. It's a little, like 2 millimeter gap here, but that was the only way I can get it to fit. But I think visually it'll look good. Of course I am a stickler with this type of stuff, unfortunately, so who knows how long I'll keep this lip on. But like I said, if you have a standard under tray, I think it'll fit a lot better. So keep that in mind if you are considering the CSL style lip from Bay Optics or most other secondhand carbon fiber manufacturers. Most of this stuff comes from China, Taiwan, whatever. So it is what it is. You pay the premium, but you're not gonna get OEM fitment unless you get, BMW performance stuff from Germany. But I don't want to fork around that kind of money, so I won't do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Car's up on the lift. I was adjusting the exhaust, making sure some things were straight. But that's pretty much it. I'll do a whole B-roll and all that stuff. Do a short or maybe a reel or something like that whenever I get the car back on the ground and have it outside. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, take your time on these things. Don't rush it. Enjoy, have a drink, wear long sleeves if you cut carbon fiber. And until next time, guys, peace.